Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet, number name and color name. Is pink color, sky blue color, light green color, orange color, purple color, black color, gray color, yellow color, red color, brown color, dark green color. Red color, A for apple, yellow color. B for banana, brown color. C for cat, dark green color. D for doll, purple color. E for egg, sky blue color. F for fish, red color. G for goat, yellow color. H for hen, brown color. I for ice cream, dark green color. J for jug, purple color. K for kite, sky blue color. L for lion. A B C D E F G H I J K L. Sky blue color. Number 1, purple color. Number 2, dark green color. 3, brown color. 4, yellow color. 5, red color. 6, sky blue color. 7, purple color. 8, dark green color. 9, brown color. 10, yellow color. 11, red color. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Red color, pink color, white color, black color, purple color, gray color, sky blue color, yellow color, brown color, pink color, blue color, light green color, orange color, dark green color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Pink color. A for ant. A for ant. B for baby. B for baby. Orange color. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. Red color. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish. Blue color. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. Light green color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. Sky blue color. K for kite. K for kite. L for leaf. Dark green color. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. Purple color. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for peacock. P for pen. Yellow color. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rain. Brown color. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. Peach pink color. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for volcano. Pink color. W for watch. W for watch. Red color. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Orange color. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Heart shape. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.